Hi, I'm Keelan.
I'm Casey.
And I just want to say that I do not like long walks on the beach.
Well, I do like long walks on the beach.
Yeah, and we're still best friends. We love each other. Inseparable Siamese twins.
Siamese?
We're not Chinese. But
yeah, but...
Yeah, I am. We do everything together. And some hoes try to...
separate us.
There's no white.
Feel like bitches.
There's no white in my hair. See, just before this, I did her hair.
Yeah, see? Good job. I like it. It's cute.
And now she's trying to get some white out of my hair, which we don't know how that got in there.
Yeah. Oops.
Dude, that take a stop. Like a pop.
Ooh, pretty.
Yeah.
She got new hair stuff. It makes your hair like really soft. And yeah.
Pretty neat.
That was random, but okay.
I'm having troubles here.
This is how we are, like, all the time. So, just
I'll
warning
get a
you.
brush. If you talk.
Okay. Well, I just will say a little about myself. Well, I'm 14. I was born November 5th. I know I'm young, but I look older. Caitlin is exactly a month older than me. She shows a goat in FFA, and I help a little bit. But,
Guys, I'm the cutest mentalist goat ever.
He's deaf.
Yes.
And he likes graham crackers and candy and milkshakes and everything.
Okay, one thing we do together, you guys, constantly do together, is burping contest.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this morning we tried to fly a kite.
Didn't work.
I'll get the kite.
Yeah. I was like calling my brother. I was like, how do you do this? It's like tighten. I was like, we did that and it broke, and yeah. And then we tried to fix it up and it turned out like that.
This is what happened. It's Tinkerbell, yeah.
It was Tinkerbell correction.
What's that? Sexy Tinkerbell.
Yeah.
Woo! It looks like a man.
Yeah. It looks kind of awkward.
So,
yeah.
Besides that, we're best friends, inseparable. We always wanted to make a YouTube video. We have matching alleys, but hers is a little lower. So
Mine's, yeah. Like,
let's not show it.
Yeah. Sorry, guys.
There's like
But earlier we tried making videos, but we were scared, so we made masks.
Wait,
It
honestly,
turned out like that.
Hitler stash got gone.
Yeah.
This is Lily.
And this
My
is
fake identity, and that's hers.
Cassie, my fake identity.
She's
Kind of close to Casey, I guess.
There's gum on the back.
Yeah. I wanted to spit on my gown, so I put it on the back of my mask.
See,
and
we're really scared of this, so you guys should just leave us good comments. Or the computer screen can go black. That works too. Were we that bad?
I guess so. But we really don't know what to say or what to do. So it's like leave comments telling us like what we can do to make our videos better and more watchable. And yeah, don't know if that's a word, but okay.
More watchable.
It makes sense, right? Bravo.
What do you remember?
I can't even drink.
Swear to God. That was weird. I gotta do good on screen.
No one saw that. Okay.
I see everything.
She has like the gassiest burps, I swear. Ow!
Because last night we decided to get goldfish cards. Don't text.
Sorry. My mom.
Alright, so we found goldfish cards and write a little secret note on them.
And put them in someone's yard. And this morning they were gone.
But we had rocks in our pockets and we saw cops.
And we ran and like the rocks fell out.
It was
yeah. And then we like dove in like this field so we wouldn't get caught, and it was really funny.
Oh, in the glow stick fight.
Yeah.
Everywhere.
Yeah. Like we were very glowy. Oh shit. Yeah.
So I guess
burping contest. Yeah.
okay, before we go, we're gonna have a burping contest.
Ew. Oh, tell us who you think should win our burping
Read it.
contest.
We're gonna have another one.
Oh yeah.
Level 1 burpee, guys. You should wrote me, Caitlin. It's Caitlin with a K, you guys.
Aw.
I won!
No, you didn't win. I'm not done yet. You're not chugging it. Oh my god, my steak. Oops.
I'm pretty sure I had a bomb, and here's what was saying.
Come on, Bubba. Come on, burp. Yes! I know, we're weird. We're girls, but we have burping contests all the time.
Oh, I should have heard mine. I want that sound like dinosaur. We ate dinosaur chicken nuggets.
Yeah, they were so good. I love dinosaur chicken nuggets. And apple juice.
We don't have any though.
I know. If you give me apple juice, I swear I love you forever.
So thanks for watching our video. Leave comments.
Wait, we should probably write our names
So
down so we
we
know how to
do-
spell it. We know how to
We
spell
don't
it.
have a pen though.
Well, let's go find a pen then.
You stay here.
Okay. Jamila, see? Yeah, that's Yeah. She left. Awkward. But yeah, my teeth are kind of orange now. There's one right over there.
Where?
Underneath that little desk link, whatever it is. The Sharpie. Hey. Or you can write the name. That's cool. Make sure you spell mine right. If you spell it wrong, I'll be pissed. Yeah. These are my nails. Yeah. I lost one. It's kind of depressing. But oh well. So, I don't know what to say. By the way, I see you cleave in the video. All of your cleave. Yeah, really cleave. No, okay. Just let me see it. She's Caitlin, I'm Casey, and yeah, C-A-S-E-Y. If you can't tell, then hers is K-A-T-E-L-Y-N-N. Not the loser, by the way. Well,
It's Caitlin with the happy face. Casey with the sad face. Loser. Every class is over.
It's just K, I'm sorry.
Casey's brain is the size of this lemon.
No, it's a little bigger.
Oh, your burp stings.
Sorry.
Alright, guys, so.
Please, like,
Caitlin
write
and
the winner.
Casey.
Yeah.
Wait, which sort of determined. So, alright.
Please, like, find us, like, yeah. And
Bye.
tell us what to do next video.
Love
So,
you guys.
bye.